look how pretty this is. This is so cute.
All right.
Okay.
Really nice. Hey!
Hi, so
How are you?
How are y'all? Chris?
Nice to see you guys.
You too.
So you guys built this house, is that right?
We built it about 20 years ago.
Okay.
Wow. Good job. It's beautiful.
We have 2 daughters, and they have 2 children. The kids come down here quite often and spend time with us, and that is so nice to be so close to family.
What our vision is to update some of the rooms for the way Kim and I live in it today as empty nesters, but also still having the gathering point for the whole family.
What are you wanting to see happen outside?
We'd like to refresh the landscaping. Some of
Sure.
the planning's overgrown after 20 years.
Yeah.
We do need to fix some drainage out here on the front. The ground is kind of settled and created a dam here, and the water
Oh,
pools
yeah.
in the driveway.
Okay.
And the front door,
That-
make it look a little more modern.
Okay. What about the siding?
Definitely needs pressure washing and
Yeah.
cleaning.
Okay, so what are you wanting to spend on this renovation?
Hoping to stay in the $195,000 range.
Okay.
Okay. All right.
Perfect. All right. Aw, lots of antiques.
So we'll start here with the office. We want to move that room over to the formal dining room. So then we would like to make this the primary closet.
Oh, that's nice. Okay,
That
that'd
would
be
be
nice
a
and big. Yeah.
giant closet.
Wow.
Well,
okay.
our closet now is about as big as a shoebox.
Okay.
So it would be nice to have more room there.
Okay, so what about the flooring?
It's the original flooring from
Yeah.
20 years ago. We
Yep.
love the wood,
Absolutely.
and we envision just refinishing them.
Okay, so the plan for the former dining room is to convert it into the new office. So we'll add French doors, we'll close off the door that leads into the kitchen, we'll paint, add built-ins, get new lighting, and we'll refinish the floors.
So what about the living room?
Yeah, it's a nice big space. I love these built-ins and all the natural light. I love it. So what are you guys wanting to do in here?
In my mind, the vision was just a refresh of all the built-ins with maybe lightening it all up.
Right.
The door is shorter than the
It
windows.
It is weird.
So
Yeah.
it's just an awkward position.
It needs to be all consistent.
We'll figure it out.
Okay.
What about the handrail up here? I see that that's exposed.
Well, I want to update that. That's kind of been a stage for our granddaughter
I
to
love
show.
Yeah. Okay, so what's next?
We do want to redo the whole bathroom.
Okay.
We have the big jacuzzi tub that I don't think has had water in it in 15 years.
So
We'd
do you
like
want
to-
a new tub?
We do want one, but a smaller one,
Okay.
and then repurpose the space for a bigger, nicer shower.
There you go.
Smart. Okay, so this is the big project, huh? So we got the closet.
And
next.
you know what? We're not even going in there.
Okay.
It's a shoebox and there isn't room.
Oh, wow.
I want a closet that is modern, beautiful, and more comfortable than what we have today.
So this wall goes to the office.
Yes.
Okay. This main suite is going to be amazing. And then do you want to do maybe like an island in the center, like a
Yes,
dresser
we do.
island? Yeah.
Heck yeah.
Yeah.
We'll have the wood flooring in here, lots of storage, a center island. It'll be like a little boutique once we're done. It'll be awesome.
Oh, I like that.
Yeah.
The kitchen's a really good size.
Oh my gosh, yeah. I mean, it's a great kitchen, but it is dated. Do you want to keep the cabinetry and update it, or do you want just total overhaul?
What I really want is a Jenny kitchen. Every
pressure.
time I
know.
talk to people about redoing the kitchen, I say, I want a Jenny kitchen.
And they're like, what? What is
What? A Jenny kitchen is a kitchen that is bright, beautiful, modern, all the conveniences for the busy mom, working woman. It's all there.
The deck's 20 years old, and it shows it.
Okay. Yeah.
The wood is rotting in places.
Like right here.
Oh,
I can
gosh.
put
Yeah,
a chair.
We want to make a deck
Okay.
where you don't have to move a chair over.
That would be wonderful.
Yes. And
Yes.
also, like the shape of the deck, I wonder if we could go out more and make it squared off. It gives you more space.
That was
out
our
here.
vision, is to keep the width of the deck, but maybe
Yeah.
continue it all the way over.
That's easy enough.
Yeah, that's easy enough.
Can't wait to get my Jenny kitchen.
They've been thinking about this remodel, planning and dreaming and imagining. We came into this house and they had very distinct, very clear visions for each space. So we are really going to have to figure out how we can stretch the budget. And that's gonna be, I think, one of the biggest challenges of this project.
I think the biggest challenge.
I know, don't even say it, I can't.
Is the
It's
Jenny
like,
Mars
I already am
kitchen.
sweating.
Holy cow.
Oh my gosh. Well, yeah, that's what they're talking about.
Little water problem here. Yeah. We gotta take care of this. Yeah.
All right.
How you guys doing?
Yeah.
Good?
A little wet.
Here we go. This whole wall's coming out? Yep. Keep going.
There's safety goggles in there.
Oh, yeah. Here.
I have to say, this is gonna be the biggest closet I've ever seen.
There it is.
In a way, it is too much space. Like, this is absurd. This is all wasted space in the middle. Yes, we can do a big dresser island, but that's all wasted above it. It just doesn't make sense to have one giant open space.
Start putting walls up, and then it's just like a maze of hallways. Give her the big island. She asked for the big island. Give it to her.
All right, we'll do an island.
At the end of the day, there's so much space in this. I think we can make it both beautiful and we can give her tons of space.
We have a lot going on. There's a lot of progress happening. We have a lot of custom cabinetry being built, and I really need to focus our budget there. Oh, there we go. Oh, yeah. Woo! I think the neighbors might have him out your screen. Sorry, guys. Just power washing.
Matt, Tim, and I are working on this back deck, trying to get it all replaced. We've got composite decking. We've got all new joists. It looks better. It's gonna be so much safer than what was there before. And when you have grandkids, I mean, that's all you care about. Man, look at that. It's gonna be awesome. All right, you're in. Oh.
Oh, looks good. There's a lot of pressure. She wants a Jenny kitchen. I don't even know what that means because I feel like every kitchen I do is specific for a homeowner. So there's not like one copy repeat kitchen. How do I give her the kitchen of her dreams? It's a lot of pressure. But
You're second guessing yourself, which is not typically
I'm not
Jenny Mars.
guessing. I'm just trying to decide what the best thing to do is.
Anna's house is coming together really, really well.
Yeah.
We have got cabinets coming out of our ears. They all are looking amazing.
Yep.
Oh my gosh.
Looks so good. I know Kim really wants a kitchen that I would have in my house, so I'm gonna go with a neutral paint color, then put on some color in hopefully the range.
The trim work, the beautiful countertops on the island, the white oak island itself. Oh my gosh.
It's amazing.
All right, Tim, last cabinet here. Get those hands inside.
Ooh,
That's a
tight
tight
squeeze.
fit.
Yeah,
I
it
wouldn't
is.
think
Careful.
anything would be a tight fit in this closet, but
Yeah.
I was a little bit nervous, but it's going to be amazing. We decided to break up the closets into two so they each have their own space. And then Kim's closet is a huge room. It
Yeah.
used to be the office. So we have all custom built-ins, and that is expensive. That is a huge chunk of the budget.
Yeah, it is.
But on the other hand, it's going to be an absolute dream closet.
I cannot believe I thought I'd ever say it, but this closet is full. All it needs now is Kim's clothes.
This is like a dream.
Huge.
Look at this. It really is coming together here for the exterior. Door looks great, and we're starting to sand down, refinish the flooring.
It's gonna look great.
Yes. Okay, the big question is she gonna like the kitchen?
Hello.
You jumped out. Welcome back to your house.
Wow, look at the front door.
Love it. Oh,
It is beautiful.
Black. We did replace the front door, updated that, replaced the lighting. We also pressure washed around all the siding
That is beautiful.
and updated landscaping, and we got rid of
You got drainage.
the situation.
Wow.
So much.
Yes.
Wonderful. Gosh, I can't wait. I want to see my Jenny kitchen.
There's a lot
pressure.
to see before
I
we're gonna show
know.
you that.
Oh, wow.
Oh, my. goodness.
Look at all the new trim, and it's all lighter colors. Beautiful. Look at that office. That is amazing. I love the desk and the built-ins.
Far beyond what I ever imagined.
Turned out great.
Yay! Let's show the living room first.
Holy cow, look at that. It's all beautiful, the new paint.
Is this really my house?
It's your house.
Yeah.
You like it?
I love the new fresh lighter color and then just the refresh of all the built-ins. Beautiful.
I don't have words, and I'm a talker.
Oh, I love that.
Oh, look, the door has been raised.
Yep.
And the visibility now and all the glass.
And we know your grandkids love to come over, so come on in.
So I built you a little gaming table that has removable drawers. So you can take the drawers out, you can have puzzles in here, you can watch plays on the balcony above.
They're down here all the time, and that's always what they want to do. So let's play a game.
Yes,
And now they have it all set up for them.
yes.
I love that.
Oh my goodness. Beautiful.
I love the wall color.
It makes it feel really peaceful, and that's what we wanted for your bedroom.
Oh my gosh.
Oh,
That is beautiful. I love the new marble tile.
Yes.
Beautiful.
look at the shower.
It's huge. It's twice as big as the other one.
Yes, it is. It's beautiful.
Okay, I know
love
one thing you really wanted was a new closet.
Yes.
That was very important. Here, check it out.
Oh my gosh.
Oh my.
That is amazing.
My closet.
Yes.
Chris, you have your spot here.
The ceiling's amazing.
Love the ceiling.
Yay.
Wow. Wow.
All the built-ins, all
Yes.
the dressers in
I
here,
had
and the islands.
no idea there was going to be so much of everything.
I'm still going back to the ceiling. It's
You
just,
like it?
yeah, it's really cool.
Isn't
It's
it
just it's
cool?
unique and different, and I like it. It looks amazing.
Good.
It
I'm
is
so glad.
amazing.
Okay,
Is it time?
let's go.
All right, after you.
No way. Oh my goodness. I love it.
Wow.
Oh my.
This is beautiful.
Wow. Look at the window.
Oh, the window's amazing. Just the light,
big
how it
window.
changed that whole side. It's quite the oven.
Oh, I haven't even gotten that far.
I don't even know what it all does.
I know.
That is beautiful.
You didn't even notice the oven.
Oh my gosh.
That turned out amazing.
If you could hug a stove, I would be hugging this one.
You can. You're doing it.
it.
I love the island.
Your old island was about this size,
Yeah.
right here.
Yes, it was.
It's 3 times the size.
This just creates a great gathering spot.
You have storage on this side as well.
You have tall cabinets now.
Yes.
So it's a little step stool.
Look at that.
It is,
my goodness.
for grandkids, it's a seat,
Your little chair.
a little bit of everything.
That is
Tuck it away.
awesome. I love the kitchen. It is spectacular.
Okay, good.
Oh my.
Oh man, look at that swing.
my
That's
goodness.
beautiful. That is so neat. To sit on it, try it out.
Sit on it, try it out.
Yes.
I thought for sure you were gonna get mad at me when you pulled up and it wasn't out front, because you said you wanted a swing, but
Yes.
this is where it should be.
Yes.
Love it.
And then the deck. You're not going to fall through your deck anymore.
No.
It's
No.
all new.
Safe.
Yeah.
This is composite, you never have to touch it. It's,
Fantastic.
you can just come out here, you can enjoy the lake, enjoy time with family, and
It turned out amazing.
It's gorgeous. It's
Oh,
beautiful.
good.
It's my house.
Beautiful.
I know. It is your house.
The
Yes.
Jenny kitchen is perfect.
you put a lot of pressure on
glad.
her, so that helped.
Woo! Yes. Well,
Okay.
I'm so glad you're happy.
Yes. Thank you.
Thank you all very
Welcome
much.
back. It was such a fun project. Kim and Chris are amazing people. They love this home, they love their family, and it's going to serve them for another 20 years, and I love that.
Hey, you guys. Come on in.
Hi.
I'm just amazed. It exceeded all of my expectations.
It's absolutely gorgeous.
And it's a Jenny kitchen.
I got a Jenny kitchen.